To prepare these delicious Christmas ginger biscuits, you will need 450 grams of flour, 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of honey, 150 grams of grinded sugarcane, 2 teaspoons of powdered ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of grounded cloves, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1 egg. Mix the batter with the sugarcane. Add the egg and mix. Then the honey and mix. The darker your honey, the darker the biscuits. Put together the flour, the grinded spices, the salt and the baking soda, and sieve over the mixture. And knead until you obtain a homogeneous dough. Form a bowl. With a roller, spread the dough on parchment paper. And let it rest in the fridge for approximately 2 hours. Cut the dough with a pastry cutter. Place them on a plate covered with parchment paper. Put in the oven for 14 minutes at 160 degrees. With their cinnamon, honey and ginger touch, these American-style biscuits will immerse you in a cheerful Christmas ambience. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.